Sultan Idris sat in the grand hall, surrounded by his court. The Quran opened before him. His voice resonated with sincerity and devotion, a beacon of faith that guided his people.
In Allah's name may our kingdom prosper,
he intoned, his eyes reflecting the flickering candlelight. The traveler approached the throne, his eyes locked on Sultan Idris.
O Sultan, the throne you occupy is cursed,
he warned, his words hanging heavy in the air. Idris dismissed the warning with confidence.
Nothing can harm those who trust in Allah.
Sultan Idris awoke with a start, his room engulfed in an icy chill. At the foot of his bed stood a ghastly figure, its hollow eyes fixed upon him.
You sit on my throne, now you will pay!
The spectre roared, lunging forward. Idris recited Ayatul Kursi with unshakable resolve, the words a shield against the malevolent spirit. The apparition recoiled, vanishing into the shadows.
My faith shields me,
he declared, his voice steady and assured. Sultan Idris stood firm as the spectre appeared once more.
You have no power here,
he announced, his voice unwavering. His recitation of the Quran grew louder, a beacon of light in the darkness. The spirit screamed, its form disintegrating into ash, never to return. The people rejoiced, hailing Sultan Idris as a hero. His tale of faith and courage spread throughout the lands, a reminder of the power of prayer and trust in Allah. Travelers spoke of the haunted throne, a tale of caution and the strength found in unwavering belief.